So you may also want to go ahead and convert out your PDF files to image format, that is JPG format, so that everyone can access it easily. So for that, you can actually go around over here onto ILovePDF.com, and here you can see that PDF to JPG is an option. You can even go ahead and access it in Convert PDF right here. So PDF to JPG is here. And under all PDF tools as well, you can see that PDF to JPG is here as well. So if I were to go ahead and select PDF to JPG right here, you can go ahead and select PDF file right here. And select out the PDF file that you want to go ahead and then export out. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on open, and this is what you have. You can add in more files as you want as well, or remove this out and select out another file that you want as well. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select out, let's say, the sample file right here, just like this. So you have two options now. That is, you can convert the entire page to JPG or just extract out the image over here from the PDF file. So let's just go with PDF to JPG first and then click on convert to JPG right here. Once you do that, you can download the JPG images just like this. And if I were to go ahead and click on download right here, you can see that whatever pages you have, like page 1, that has been converted to JPG format right here. And then you got page 2 that is converted to JPG as well. So this is what you have. And if I were to go back right here, I can go ahead and select out, let's say, for example, another file right here, like sample. And this time I'm going to choose extract images right here. Even in pages to JPG, you can go for high quality or normal quality right here. High quality does take up more space, while normal quality takes up less space, but it stores less detail of image. But most of the time what happens is that the normal quality is more than enough. But anyways, let's just focus on extracting images right here. And if I were to select it and click on convert right here, I can go ahead and download JPG images right here. And if I were to go ahead and click on save, this is what you have, as you can see. So it basically went ahead and extracted out all of the images that there are in the PDF document. So if I were to go ahead and open, you can see that these are the images right there from the individual document right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can actually go ahead and then convert out a PDF file to JPG easily using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.